I wasn't expecting this now, to be honest, when we reached the top. This is insane. Oh my god. Alright, so we finished our day's work and we finished lunch. So we're actually gonna go on a random adventure now behind us towards the mountain direction, because we haven't really explored that region yet. So, and that is our main objective while in Taranaki, is to see the massive mountain, the main landmark here in town. So really excited to check that out now. We're gonna drive there with Mado on this sunny day. It's actually it's so hot, guys. It's like summer out today, so it's gonna be beautiful.
Isn't this the most beautiful view, guys? We are driving to the Mount Egmont. I hope I pronounced this correctly.
Show the mountain to the guys. Show the mountain to the viewers.
And we're gonna do the Puke circuit.
Yeah, right.
I think that's how you pronounce it. I'm not sure.
I can't pronounce
It's a beautiful trek here in Taranaki, and you have this little lake, the Tarn, and you see over the Mount Egmont mountain. So this is what we're gonna do, and I'm super excited. It's probably a bit late, but we are still okay. It's almost 12 and it takes 6 hours, I think, round trip.
God.
Yeah.
That sounds
Glenn's excited. As you know, he loves walking and hikes. And guys, it's really a popular trek and I can't wait to see it. And if you're in New Zealand, you have to come to Taranaki. The mountain is stunning. So dogs, yeah, not allowed on this trek again. Guys, this is the start.
What's kiwi?
And I feel like kiwis are the birds.
Oh, the birds. Ah, yeah, sorry, yeah. Jesus.
Typical.
Makes sense. Kiwi recovery, yeah.
These ones.
They're recovering here.
And guys, and we already struggle. I don't know why. Maybe I'm still recovering from my infection. But today, this is gonna be tough one, guys.
Go, Madeline. Let's walk the paths, the wooden paths through the forest here.
Cool though. Look at this.
It's awesome, yeah.
Well preserved. Like everywhere. I feel like everywhere in New Zealand where there's a public trek, it's well preserved.
They do a great job with that. Now, that's the first sign. 2 hours 15 minutes. We're going to the hut?
Yeah, further then.
Oh my god.
A bit further.
Wow, it's going to be an impressive hike. Lots of practice, lots of exercise here in New Zealand. For the Capella trek.
A lot of stairs, guys. But easy coming down later.
Yep. So many goddamn stairs, like a stairmaster in the gym.
It's cool, you know? Nice temperature here with all them trees. Glenn, you're resting on this tree bench.
I'm just waiting for you. Excuse me.
That was just 10 seconds. Guys, it's mainly stairs. So if you don't like stairs, what is this?
That's just a random path, Madeline.
That was the old one.
Into the forest.
Maybe that was the old one before and then they built a new one.
You don't want to get lost though. So you're best off not going this way.
Yeah,
Probably
imagine.
not.
You honestly could get lost.
You don't know who's in that bushes, you know?
You could, no?
We could get caught by the boogeyman. We don't want that now.
You could get lost. How cool is that? This is like out of a fairy tale. So beautiful.
Oh guys, we reached the open top now where we can actually see out the bush, and the sun is really hitting us pretty hard now, as today is a very hot day. So it's 17 degrees. Are we going up this mountain up here to the left?
No, I don't think we're going up the mountain.
Why not?
I go to the lookout.
The lookout?
Yeah,
it's the mountain, not the lookout?
No, like you have like the lake, the Tarn Lake in front of the mountain, and it's a beautiful place.
Right, you follow the lead, so
going.
I'm following your direction, because I don't really know where I'm going. You organised this. Is this the viewpoint you're talking about?
No, but it is one viewpoint.
It's very high, isn't it?
Yeah.
I didn't realise we walked so far up.
Me neither, yeah. I can't even see where we parked.
Oh my god, miles over there.
Wow, it's a bit misty. But look, we're already over the clouds.
That's pretty intense,
Wow.
isn't it? It's always misty around here, isn't it?
Yeah.
Notice that?
Wow, we're over the clouds.
Look at that, that is beautiful. It's very hot, the sun ray. It's very bright, but it's still nice to observe while we climb the mountain here, up all these never-ending stairs to heaven.
Wow. Glenn found a spring. Is that nice?
Oh, delicious. Need a bit of fill of water. It's very cold water as well. You get all the nutrients from the green moss as well.
I don't even know if that's that healthy, is it?
Yeah. The cleanest you can get them at, look. This is the cleanest water you come across in your life, in your lifetime. Oh yeah.
Is there anything in it?
Nope, nothing at all. Oh, that's good water. We're in the sky, Madeleine. We are in the sky. What a view. Damn it.
Did you walk all this up?
Yeah, I think so, yeah. That's insane. Isn't it?
Yeah.
Oh my god. Look at that. Look at that.
We're over the clouds. That's it.
It's pretty mad, isn't it? Yeah.
Almost reached the hood. We're
Did we?
almost at the hood.
Are we really though?
Look. That's the hood. That's the
1 hour, Madeleine.
target.
There's the top of Mount Egmont. I think we're going up to the top, I'm not sure.
Glenn, we're not going to the top.
It's a bit of a mystery, no?
No, I think it's around and there's this lake.
Okay, okay.
We'll see, just follow the path.
Okie dokie, it looks amazing. That's a pretty cool tree. What's your head on that big huge branch of moss, Madeleine?
What is that?
I don't know. Looks like a tree monster. It comes to life at night time.
Out of the Lord of the Rings.
Yeah.
Wow.
Oh, look at that, so beautiful.
Wow.
Whoa, look at that valley.
Yes.
It's pretty awesome.
Honestly, I have to say this is the first time I've seen this type of landscape here in New Zealand, and it's so unique. The bushes and stuff.
And it's untouched as well.
Wow. I have to say,
It's private property.
it does remind me of Tenerife, because they also have this. It's a volcano island, and similar kind of
Similar
beautiful
bush,
though.
yeah, similar bush, similar terrain.
Absolutely beautiful walk.
We're gonna go up to this hut now and take a little break and then continue our way over the mountain to see Mount Egmont.
And the sky is clear because we are above the clouds.
Oh yeah, look at the clouds, guys. Oh my god, that's insane. Clouds are low today. Pretty cool the way you can chill out up here in this hut. Oh, it's up here. That is so cool. They actually have sleeping quarters up here as well. They have some bunk beds where you can actually sleep for the night if you like, because it is a long hike up the mountain. It takes about nearly 3 hours, so it's pretty cool the way they have all these facilities all the way up the top. And nearly 500 meters, guys. Really cool facilities they have here. And the sink, what the hell? They look after the people, don't they?
And the track is so well preserved. Like really, they're doing a good job here. Check out these toilets. You need to go?
No, I think they're okay.
Sure.
Alright, hey pleasant toilet. Right guys, we took some food, we had a sandwich, and we're going to continue our way to the reflection lake behind us, the Tang. It's a 20-minute walk over past the hut, over the mountain. So they actually helicoptered most of the equipment up here, like the toilets and the facilities. So big respect to the people that put all the work and made this happen with the hut. Where are you going? Toilet, 500 meter toilet. Oh, there's the peak of Mount Egmont, guys. It's coming up now. What a beauty. Definitely, I think, worth the view. Climb all these stairs to heaven above the clouds.
I can't wait to see this now.
Ooh, my legs.
Oh
Wow.
my god, look at this.
That's so cool.
Oh my god. This is so pretty.
We're seeing it from a different perspective. It's not pleasant to walk up these stairs after a leg day in the gym. Not a good idea. Wouldn't recommend it. Right. North Egmont. Oh, there's a lot of people up here, isn't there? Wasn't expecting so many people. What mountain is that? That's the mountain we went skiing on. It is, because you have the volcanic mountain beside it. Look in the background, guys. Far in the distance, beside Taco.
Yeah.
A walkway into heaven, guys.
This is so worth coming here, guys.
It's beautiful, isn't it? Clouds are so low, aren't they? I wasn't expecting this now, to be honest, when we reached the top. This is insane. Oh my god. So there's the walk down there, guys, down to the lake, where everybody seems to get a nice photo with the Egmont mountain behind.
Guys,
this is the Instagram shot.
This is one of the most beautiful sceneries up here. Probably not my favorite walk up here, but like the view, amazing so far. And I want to see this lake.
I mean, the lake doesn't look very nice from here, but
everybody seems to get this.
I know, yeah.
So we have to.
The lake looks bigger in the Instagram photos.
We'll see.
Than the reality.
It probably looks very big when you get there.
Okay.
Guys, it's super funny. It's like literally, I wouldn't even call this a lake. This is more like a pond. And it got super famous with all them people taking Instagram pictures. So I'm really curious what it's all about. If it's really that nice. But it is super small. Oh, and it's an ecologically fragile environment, so you can't camp here. Okay, what do you think then?
It's really nice, but we have a bit of a breeze, so we can't actually capture the famous shot. So we have to wait for the wind to stop.
So nice though.
That was a nice walk. That was well worth it. The lake is okay, but you need a very non-windy day to capture that photo we're talking about, unfortunately. Now we just have to climb the stairs of heaven again, up to the top, and then as soon as we reach the lodge again, happy days. All downhill, guys, all downhill. We're gonna sprint down because my legs are gone. My legs are gone. Guys, my legs, I can't feel them. My legs are gone. They're like jelly. They're literally, you just sprinted the whole way down, and we actually made it down in less than 1 hour, so it's pretty impressive. Woof. Oh my god, I'm glad I made it down in one piece. Oh Jesus. No matter, Jesus, we did well. I'm surprised we sprinted down all the whole way.
Guys, that was very painful. We're back in the car. We
ready.
made it in 1 hour down and approximately 2.5 hours up to that little lake.
Pretty well, yeah.
So, but like you need to take time in consideration to take breaks and pictures and just like, you know, do nothing. So it took us 5 hours in total, you know. It's definitely worth it. Have to check it out. The view up there is insane. If you're lucky to have a really nice day, it's amazing. Honestly, like, beautiful view. What are we doing now? I think we're heading to town for a bit. I don't know the exact plan, but we still have some time left. It's our day off. We want to see something, so might just go to New Plymouth.
We're in New Plymouth now, guys.
Hello,
Getting some pizza after that walk. Getting a bit of pizza anyway.
A small bit.
Yeah, I think we're really hungry after
I'm craving
the hike.
pizza for the last few weeks,
So we have a beautiful sunset here in the back. The sun is shining. We're walking down the main street of CBD here. The city is thriving with life like always. There's an Irish pub with a Guinness sign on the side.
I'm just looking where the place is.
Let's not get lost. Awesome. So it's free parking after 5 o'clock. No charges for us. Awesome. I love that. It is a bit expensive during the day though, the park and the CBD here in New Plymouth. I don't know what that place is. That's an old hotel, I think. You can see a reflection over there, Madeline. Look at big mirror building. It's pretty cool. The police are saying hello. Where are we going? How are you, boss? You well?
Yeah, not too bad. How are you guys?
Pretty good.
Can you just sit down for pizza?
Yeah, anywhere on the side's fine, yeah. And then you just come up to the bar when you're ready to order. Yep.
Thank you. No matter order pizza. What pizza did you order?
Smoked ham, mushrooms and grilled artichoke.
So we're just gonna share a pizza before dinner time, aren't we?
Yeah, so I will be full tonight.
What are you trying to say?
Nothing. I leave this open for imaginations, for our viewers to...
I think our pizza's coming, Madeline, from the chef. Yeah. Thank you, sir. Look at that. Looks tasty. That was fast.
It does look pretty good.
Looks very crunchy on the sides.
We deserve this. We did a really difficult and hard hike.
Yeah, we don't really eat out very often, so definitely deserve.
Ooh, that's delicious. That's delicious.
Oh yeah. Good tomato sauce. The tomato sauce is good. Makes a big difference with the tomato sauce.
Delicious. We're gonna finish this now. All of it.
That went down well. That went down pretty good. So fascinated by that. Building made out of reflective glass. Some sort of metal sheet.
Yeah, cool.
I'm not sure why they did that, but
It's art, Glenn.
wait,
It's
this.
an art gallery there.
Oh, true. Yeah, that makes sense. Didn't realise New Plymouth has a art gallery here, guys.
Very artsy indeed.
Artistic city. And what's the plan now? We drive home.
Yeah.
We
That's a wrap.
we go for dinner at home.
We go back home for dinner.
Yep. Alright guys, that was a bit of a random day of adventures. We got to explore the area slightly, so we're really happy with the results, and Madeline hopefully is satisfied with the result as well. So we're home and we're ready to have some food and go to bed soon. So but we have a little special greeting from Lily here. She's gone crazy. That's that little fluffy dog that lives with us in the house here. So well guys, it's a pleasure. Thanks for watching, and we catch you in the next video. Lots of love. XO. Bye bye bye.